Hello, hi, and welcome to the presentation of Dropdown. This dropdown has been made using the React library. Now, the basic functionalities of this dropdown is when I put my cursor on this div element, which displays the dropdown, and as you can see, a symbol over here which just points downwards. Then what will happen? Let's just see. If I put my cursor on it, then basically this symbol has gone 180-degree up. Now it's pointing upwards, and in our drop down we also see the list of elements. Out of this list of elements, you can actually go ahead and select one of them. So let's just select the first one. So let's click on it, and then we have select one as being selected, and it's being shown at a place of drop down. So the basic approach of this problem was to first of all have this div element, and also just apply the basic stylings in the body such as display flex and everything out. After that, we have this div element. As you can see in the app.js component, we have this div element, which is basically the whole container of this div elements and the bunch of elements over here, which is made using the unordered list. We'll come back to it later. So the div element which holds the heading and the symbol is this particular div element, and here you can see a display drop text. Now this display drop text is made using the use state, and it is initialized with drop down. So initially over here, if you go ahead and reload this thing, you would see a drop down instead of select 1 2 3. And if now if not, why we do not see this list when our cursor is not on there? It is because of this is open. Now this is open is getting toggled based on our cursor is actually on this div element or not. So as you can see, the handle mouse enter, handle mouse leave, we are using the events of on mouse enter, and this handle mouse enter basically puts set is open to true. Once it does, then we see a bunch of list of elements made with unordered list, applied some styling on it, and then it has its own functionality where if we click on any item like we did, then it sets the item to active, which means so basically it means that if I click on select one, the next time if you see on select one, it has some styling applied on it. Then also, so basically it shows that select one is active as of now. And also you see the set display drop text. So basically display text is the select one that we are passing over here in the function. And then as soon as our mouse leave, which is on mouse leave, we are setting the state to false, and that's why we no longer see the list of elements as soon as our cursor is not on there. Thank you.